TikTok, you lied to us. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA. Today, y'all, I'm getting back in the field. So y'all know everybody has been on the miracle knot trend. I did it and it ain't. I can't even lie. Definitely a game changer. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the same miracle knots in half the time because see, TikTok deceived us. Y'all had us thinking that the miracle knots was gonna be done in 2 hours. No. My miracle knot install took me probably about 4 to 5 hours to complete. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually get it done in maybe 3 and cut out 2 hours of time. Also, the takedown on that style.
Try!
I want to fight. Y'all, the takedown was literally trash. My hair is really fine, so my braids were super tiny and I was just flabbergasted. But today we're getting back in the field. This is gonna be a much easier method. So if you want miracle knots in half the time, baby, Big P got you. All right, so jumping right in, this is a collaboration with QVR Hair. They sent me 5 packs of their feather tip crochet. This is 100% human hair in the curl pattern Burmese, and they gave me 20 inches. And if you guys haven't noticed by now, this is definitely my favorite curl pattern. I did the same curl pattern for my very first miracle knot install. I just love how the curls are not super uniform, so it definitely gives natural hair girly. And yeah, I just love it. It's like, it's the perfect look for me. So to save that time, guys, what I'm gonna be doing is parting my hair from ear to ear, and I'm going to be doing the traditional miracle knots in the front, and I'm actually going to be crocheting the hair in the back. Not only is this going to add fullness for me, but it's also going to cut down on that install time because obviously I don't have to part out my entire head, just only the front. I have posted a takedown video already, and you can definitely take these down without breakage, but if you are someone who is worried about creating all those little knots in your head with the crochet hair, then this is also a great alternative because crocheting in the back is going to be a lot easier. So I'm going to be doing a medium size for these in the front, so I'm creating a total of 5 rows, and I just wanted to make sure that this front looked full. I love having the versatility of the braids in the front because I can pull these back and just style them, and it'll kind of give the illusion that I have a full head of braids in my head. Now I'm braiding down my natural hair, and I'm going to be feeding in 1 piece of the feather tip crochet into each braid at the bottom. I'm not sealing it by tying a knot or anything. This curl pattern kind of makes it so that your hair is not going to unravel, so I just felt like the knot wasn't necessary. I had did it on my first miracle knot client, and I was able to get the knot out. It wasn't an issue, but I just felt like in a DIY it's just not really necessary. So I slowed this clip down just a little bit so that you guys are able to actually see what I'm doing. Basically, when I get to about 1 inch or 1.5 inches left of my natural hair, I'm gonna take 1 piece of that feather tip crochet hair, and I'm gonna position the string at the middle of my braid, and I'm gonna start to braid it in. So I'm gonna show you guys that here in a second. You guys can see I'm getting down to the bottom. I'm gonna take 1 piece of that feather tip crochet, put that piece of string towards the middle, and I literally just braid it in, and I keep braiding until I run out of my natural hair. Now, I didn't even use a full pack at this point. I was still kind of on my first pack, so I already knew. I was like, oh yeah, these are about to eat down. They're about to be nice and full. I'm also going to create 1 row of singles in the back of my head, and that's just to give the illusion that the back is in singles as well, even though it's not. This step is definitely optional, but yeah, I just felt like when my hair was down, I wanted it to give the illusion that I had a full head of boho knotless. Now, as I finish off this row, let's talk a little bit about QVR Hair. I have definitely worked with this brand before, and I love the quality of their hair. One thing I want to say about their feather tip crochet is this company I have seen offer the most different colors and curl patterns. It's been very hard for people to find the feather tip crochet hair in colors, so if you are a color girly or looking for a unique shade of feather tip crochet hair, make sure you guys go ahead and check out QVR Hair. They're also on the TikTok shop, guys. Go on the TikTok shop, use their codes. Yeah, the hair turned out bomb. I've actually had it installed for 3 weeks now, and ooh baby, it's still tea. I love it. All right, so the braid down I'm doing now is creating the foundation for the part that I'm just gonna do a regular crochet in. I did some braids. They don't need to be super small, but I did want to make sure that they weren't like fat dookie braids, so that yeah, it just lays nice and flat. And then I'm gonna take the end of my last braid and just crochet it through the bottom, and that's pretty much going to secure it in there. So to do the braids in the front and to create this foundation in the back, this whole entire part took me 2 hours to do, which is honestly not bad. The crocheting part is actually the fastest part for me. The whole crochet part took pretty much like an hour to an hour and a half. So guys, I knocked off about 2 hours doing this style this way. Basically, to put in the feather tip crochet, I'm just taking the hook that actually comes with the hair. Each pack of hair came with a pink hook inside of it. So here I'm gonna slow this clip down to show you guys how I'm actually crocheting these pieces in. I'm basically taking that latch hook and I'm putting it through the braid. I'm then gonna take the piece of string, close it in the hook and pull it through. And I'm going to create a knot by opening that loop and pulling the end of the hair through it. And you just wanna make sure that the knot you create is actually on the string, because if it's not, then you run the risk of your piece falling out. So for these braids in the front, I put 2 to 3 pieces of crochet hair in each one, and I did focus those pieces closer to the top this time because my first install I felt like it just was really boneless. And I used a total of 2 packs for this front section alone, and I'm gonna be crocheting 3 packs in the back. So I basically just start crocheting this in, and honestly you can do it where you like go down each braid, or you can kind of just do it randomly. Whenever I'm crocheting in the back, I kind of just start going randomly and I fill in whatever spots need to be filled in. Or sometimes I'll go left to right or right to left. So at this point I only had 2 packs in the back, so I had 1 more pack that I was gonna open and use to pretty much fill in. And yeah, I was like loving just the way that this was turning out. And this was so much easier, guys, because had I did the miracle knots all over, I would have to crochet into every single piece, and it is definitely time consuming. Cute, but time consuming. But if you're a girly who may do like a couple styles with it, but you don't need to wear it like up every time, or you know, then this is definitely a hack for y'all. Now, for those of you guys who are like, why don't you just braid it in? This method was designed to be a DIY style. It wasn't for people who knew how to braid or do feed-ins. It was supposed to be a quick hack so that people can save money and not have to go to stylists and pay $500 to $700 for boho braids. So that's the first thing, just to make it easier for people to achieve at home. Secondly, I had made a post where I talked about this being a 3 to 4 week style. Y'all act like y'all wanted to jump me, y'all. The hair is definitely an investment. It can be reused, so I don't want people to think I'm paying all this money and I'm only gonna get 3 to 4 weeks out of this style. You can reuse this hair for multiple installs. It should last you at least up to a year. And I said 3 to 4 weeks because our natural hair is out. A lot of people already don't moisturize their hair, and the longer you keep these in, the harder the takedown process, and we want to try to prevent as much damage as possible. So this is what the finished look looks like, guys. It is so full. All I really do for my finishing touches is go in with a mister, and I'm gonna wet it down. I'll show you what this side looks like versus it wet down. The water is just gonna add movement to it. It's gonna elongate your curls a little bit and create more of a natural look for you. My whole time wearing this install, all I used was water and finger detangled it, and it worked out just fine. You can use a little bit of leave-in conditioner, but when it comes to boho, I always tell people to try to stay away from mousse because it will make it sticky. But I love how natural this curl pattern looks, guys. Look at how beautiful this style is. Again, I use the entire 5 packs to create this look. You can definitely get away with 4 packs if you do the knotless all over, but I love the way that these turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I just wanted you guys to see it down as well, and I preferred this fullness over my first install. So this was probably my favorite install yet, just because I was able to create that fullness that I wanted. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. If you guys notice a difference in my installs, let me know as well, guys. I was feeling myself. If you guys want to see any more miracle knot tutorials, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you guys want to see any video requests, let me know. Make sure you guys check out QVR Hair. All of their information and coupon codes will be listed in the description section. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Big Pana tutorials, lives, reviews, yeah, all that. Big Pana, not the little one. Hey, what you mean? Big box braids on your top, yeah.